Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are removing logos from clothing using clone stamp tool. Zoom into the logo area, then select the clone stamp tool with medium softness. Now hold Alt and sample clean fabric. Paint gently to cover the logo. Follow fabric texture directions. Lower opacity for softer blending. Now resample often for natural looks, then fix folds using cloned shadows and also add highlights with lighter fabric tones. Now smooth edges around the clothing. Zoom out and review the final result. The logo is completely removed. That's how to erase logo cleanly in Photoshop with the